You can treat for bugs like the professionals, but you don't have to break the bank to do it. Keep it simple and just mow. I've made different videos in the past that talked about different forms of bug control, whether using granular products for your lawn or using a hose end product for the foundation and the woodline areas. They all pretty much work, but I wanted to try something new. I've always wanted to try misting, but to get the products needed to mist, these things cost anywhere from $400 to $600 just for a decent mister, and that's out of the question. I'm not saying the mister is not effective, it sure is effective, but as an average homeowner who's going to use this maybe 3-4 times a year, it's just not worth the expense. I've seen ads about the Mosquito sniper system, and I've seen other YouTubers post videos about this, so I was curious to give this a try and see how easy it is for the average homeowner. The only thing you need to make this work is a backpack sprayer or any type of sprayer. You could even use it with a pump sprayer, and you need some type of blower. Before you make your purchase, you go to the website and you select your equipment. It's really important that you select the type of equipment you have. Right out the box, you're going to get a bunch of different pieces. I know it looks a little overwhelming, but it's actually pretty easy. You're going to go to your pump sprayer and remove the wand attachment. You're going to take the Mosquito sniper system hose and attach it to the handle. You're going to take the long hose and attach it to the short hose that you just hooked up to your sprayer. You're going to connect the side with the valve onto the short hose. Next, you're going to take the clamp and place it onto your leaf blower, but you don't want to tighten it just yet. You want to take this piece right here and place it under the clamp. You want to clamp it down in such a way where the ridges kind of butt up against the blower. This is how it should look if you have the item installed correctly. Locate which hole is directly over the middle of the blower. Then you're going to attach your tubing onto that hole. The system comes with 2 different nozzles. You have a 4-way nozzle which will produce a lot of misting, and then you have a single nozzle which you can fine tune to whatever project you need. For this test, I'm using just pure water. What's really good about this system is that you can mist low where mosquitoes like to hide, but at the same time, if you need to mist a little bit more upwards, you can mist up. This thing can reach high as I believe 25 to 30 feet. I think 30 feet is what it's rated for, but it reached pretty high. So if you got mosquito problems or even flies, this is a perfect solution for your problem. Switching nozzle type is very easy. You just pull out the old one and put in the new one. In this nozzle type, you can actually have a targeted stream. For those situations where you need a targeted stream to reach really high into corners and eaves, this also works. You could use any type of solution that you can mix in a backpack sprayer or a pump sprayer, but the most common solution you're going to typically use for a situation like this is Talstar, and Talstar works great. Now the big question, should you or should you not purchase this system? And let me tell you, at about $40 to $50 per system, it's very affordable, easy for the DIYer, and it works, so a definite yes.